Welcome back, everybody. Let's talk about the strongest narrative in the meme coin space. That is Pepe. Now, you know we've been covering this on this channel from the bear market, and many people right now are probably wondering whether they should keep holding it. What should they do? Sell, buy? We're going to talk about some key things that, well, simply put, no one else is talking about, but you need to know if you're holding Pepe. So make sure you smash up that like button and don't forget, subscribe to this channel so that you get all the latest and greatest in cryptocurrency, and check the links in the description. We're now on TikTok as well as Instagram, X, and many, many more. So go and drop a follow on those links in the description. With that being said, let's get into this Pepe video. So you may have heard this on a number of different channels today. Everyone seems to be talking about this net decline in whales, whale outflows from exchanges, whales dumping huge amounts of Pepe, and ultimately Pepe being done. An interesting article here says Pepe decline intensifies as whale net flow turns negative. Now, if you haven't noticed, the entire market's had a pretty bad reaction to those Fed minutes and some Trump policy updates. You know, the meme coin sector is absolutely not immune to this either. They are significantly going to be impacted, probably more so than you see in top blue chip coins or, again, big market cap views. But what is this all about? Well, following the sell-off and price decrease, Pepe formed a death cross on the 4-hour chart. Ultimately, the pattern showing a short-term moving averages crosses a long-term moving average. Generally a very bearish indicator. We've seen that on many other coins as well. In fact, there's only really XRP and XLM that are bucking the trend. The exponential moving average, though, with Pepe is indicating that the user's recent price changes and historical trends are determined by trend. EMA above the price trend is bearish, while a bullish trend occurs with the opposite. So you take a look at what we're talking about here. So you can see net flow ultimately out of Pepe. Now, this can be for a number of reasons. We're coming towards the end of the financial year. The market had absolutely moved to more risk-off assets. Don't forget the 10-year treasury, even the 1-month treasury are showing positive gains as opposed to negative, which we have seen for a while. So in fact, many people will move out of risk assets and go and hold it in those treasuries. If you didn't watch my update video, definitely go and check that out. But this isn't all bad. And this is just general bull market cycles. And I've always talked about this. Many people don't know what Pepe is going to do. There is clearly going to be some volatility in the market. We've seen Bitcoin dump the best part at points today of over $10,000 since that 102 recent high. So Pepe is no different. But here's the key thing to understand. There is a big narrative that comes, and equally, there is a big thing that no one's talking about. That's retail investment coming back into the market. In fact, there's a lot of view right now, particularly around Pepe, as to what might be coming. The price plunging 10% to hit that 18 level, with that potential traders rapidly cutting back on high-risk meme coin exposure. We saw it across the rest of it. That doesn't necessarily paint a bad picture. Derivative markets show bear traders deploying high volumes of leverage to amplify profits amid macroeconomic uncertainty. People taking up positions which only can potentially intensify the solution. Now, what is the market saying, you may ask? Well, look at this. This is the Pepe Exchange liquidation map, and ultimately the market right now, as it is with Bitcoin and many others, is bearish. The market, or traders in the market, believe that we're going to see a further push down with Pepe, as well as probably many other meme coins. Now, if you've been around this space for a while, you know what this generally means. The market will probably do the opposite. And in fact, when you take a look at the holder distribution, we're actually seeing some cumulations of whale holdings. In fact, already $238,000 have been purchased by some of the top wallets in the project. They are bagging their tokens. And I think this is important to reference. As much as in one side, people are going to tell you the market's dumping, at the other side, we know people are buying. Take Bitcoin as an example. Fidelity dumped around 11,000 Bitcoin today. Well, guess what? BlackRock bought 7,000, as well as many others. So sometimes you just don't need to be fooled by what's going on and understand a bit more macro data as to exactly what the play is here. Now, this is the Pepe chart. We obviously saw this nice rally up here back in the early parts of November, topping at that all-time high of around the 2.6. We then saw some consolidation before rallying once again to that 2.875 range. Guess what? We see a dump in line with the market, consolidation, and then another further dump. Now, we could come down, retest the 200 exponential moving average. That wouldn't be out of the realms of possibilities before starting a push. What is worth noting, however, on the daily or the 12-hour here is the distance on the Bollinger Bands. Generally, if we see tightening on the Bollinger Bands, this shows an upward trend or positive movement in the market. You can see that it happens back here, and at the same time, here. Now, we are currently in a reversal from this sell trend back here in December 20th with this uptrend. I'm looking to see what this break below looks like. If we were to come down and push a little bit further, let's say we can break out from that 17 range, you would expect a little bit more bearish trend. Probably looking for a position around 1605 with that then potential move to the upside in line with, guess what, Trump's inauguration coming January 20th. And again, there is more to think about when it comes to Pepe. That's just from a technical standpoint. Like I said, there is significant more upside to come across the rest of the market. In particular, many people believe the meme space is done. Well, watch out, because I think Pepe and many of the community members sat within that are absolutely bullish on what the future looks like. And more importantly, those order books on futures are big as well. So expect volatility. I think that's fair to say. But the reality is we know that Pepe at this price range is absolutely gaining new followers, new holders, new whales, in fact, all trying to grab a little piece of the puzzle. For me, Pepe will be the #2 meme coin in this bull market. And I truly believe this 2025 early part of the year is set for a strong move across a number of different assets, meme coins being a big part to play, and especially when retail come back in the market. So keep your eye on Pepe. As much as they're telling you whales are selling, understand actually in the other side, they are accumulating just as much. Let me know what you think in the comments or down all of this, and what's your price prediction when it comes to Pepe. And don't forget, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. We'll be talking about meme coins as well as altcoins, XRP, and everything else right here on the 2Bit Crypto channel. And if you're looking for a great project to get involved in, check out the links in the description to Marbits. That's the token I launched. You definitely don't want to miss what we've got coming for you very, very soon. As always, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.